36. Right, sun's starting to wet, but it's not gonna stop me from cutting those citrus trees. Let's get started now. These are removing the gloves. This guy David Moore, he's gonna burn the whole place. So for free, the owner, I mean they're selling it. So he said he's gonna burn the whole place, including my property. So you know what? I'm out of here. My gosh, I did a lot of work, but he said he's gonna take care of this stuff. It's gonna be gone like pretty soon. So good for me. I'm not gonna cut the rest of this citrus tree. I'm going home, guys. I'm tired. Okay. Back here in the farm. Look at this. They clean up this side. Those bamboos are almost gone. That's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So 3 days. That's how much work we have completed, guys. I was actually expecting to see this part of my property over here is like cleaned up, but look, it's no, it's untouched. Those are the gonna fly my drone for the first time. I've been learning how to fly this thing for a few days now, so we'll see where it's gonna take me to. Alright, I'm gonna grab this, guys. I'm gonna make this the landing area for the It's gonna do it. Okay. First, put our battery. There. Okay, so I have 128 megabyte of space in there. I'm still waiting for the 256 gigabyte for that I'm gonna be actually I'm gonna be switching. I need one over here too for the controller, but I don't have that yet. Okay. Ooh. It's a little cold today. I don't know what the weather looks like. Maybe let's check. Weather-wise, Apollo base is 54. Where I'm at is 56. So it's a little cold, but it's not cold. Wachola. Not sure how do we pronounce it. Okay. It's a little bit of challenge taking this thing out. There you go. Oops. Did I break it already? No. Okay. So the battery's in there. This goes to the front, back. Controller. Are we on? Okay. I am in under what? N. I forgot what's the N is. Normal mode or something. Alright. Oops. Turn on. And have to grab this, the controller thingy. I forgot how they call it. It's the controller something. There you go. Alright. One short press and a long press. That turns on our controller. Same thing over here. And on the drone itself, one press and one long press. There you go. Okay. Alright, I forgot. What's the next step? Okay, unable to take off. Why? No satellite positioning. What that means? Take off with
Approached edge of altitude zone.
87% left. Okay, I only have 12. Showing 12 satellites. Is that good or bad? Oh, it's 13 now. 17.
Home point updated.
Perfect. It's 18, so I guess that's good. 20. Cool. Let's keep starting it. Okay. What I can do? Oh. No, that's not what I want. Triple. Okay. Alright, guys. Let's do this. I'm not an expert, so I'm gonna do. What's that now? Take off. This one here, this button. Or actually, let me see if I can do this. Swipe. There you go. So it's starting. So let's bring it up. Okay. There. So let's fly. Oh shoot, there's birds. Oh no. Oh, down. Okay. What's that mean? Oh man, those birds. I'm worried about. Okay, they're gone. Okay. Let's fly. Let's put it up there. Ooh, nice. Okay, so where are we going? So I'm gonna.